Hi guys, Ian living in the Philippines. So this one is for you, Ricky. Ricky, oh bro, because I'm so poor. We're in the I don't know, Vikings. There we go. We're in the Vikings restaurant. 1,400 peso, all you can eat, bro. So here you have all your different types of meat, all your cheeses, and then all your different types of bread. We don't have to go to a Chinese restaurant and eat some fried rice for 400 peso, bro. So anyway, so all your different types of cheeses here, salami, your nuts, little bowls of salad. So here you can sort your own soups out. They'll cook it for you and bring it to your table. Wherever you look, there's just food everywhere. So they do pancakes here, look. Oh, just bring some there. All your different types of candy. I don't know what this is. Cakes. Oh, go like this. So there we go. It's just mousse and cakes. And the salad bar. You have all your types of salad that you need. Onions, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, with your sauces. And then what we got here is spinach, chicken, macaroni, cheese. Oh, soup. So more noodles, macaroni, I think. Is that macaroni? Yes. Pizzas. More pizza. What have we got here? Mixed vegetable, green beans, pumpkin, everything. Rice, seafood rice. Ricky, that would be for you. Here we have turkey. Look at that. Beef. Look at that beef, guys. Look. Oh. Bacon. Sausages. You want it? They've got it. What we got here? Also, vegetable. So we've already. Oh, this is for you, Ricky. This is for you, Chinese, Sichuan pork, mixed vegetables, pancit, prawns, duck. So what have we got here? It's got some sauce, some gravy, I think. All your sauces. Oh, lasagna. I haven't had that for years. What else we got? Pork ribs, fish. Very good. Very good. It's all good, isn't it? Here, some more sausages. Smoked sausage. Mayonnaise chicken. That'll be for Ricky again, because he likes his Chinese food. Here we go. What we got here? I don't know. Oh, eggs. And this also looks a little bit Asian, yeah? On this side. Oh, there you go, Ricky, for you again. For your tortillas. Yeah, salted pepper pork, over here like this. So more things here. So we'll just go round the back here. Oh, also drinks, free flow drinks, free flow beer. Yeah. Yeah. stupid tobacco frozen, no idea what that is. Raspberry. What? Wheatgrass? What's wheatgrass? So then here we have the sushi, or sashimi bar. All your different types of, all your different types of sashimi. And here we have also sushi. And then, so with the soya sauce, you need the soya sauce and wasabi, most important. And I think that's sake bottles. Oh, be careful, you're going to lose your egg. So, what do we have here? All your drinks. Yeah, Ricky, there's no Coke Zero here. And where's the beer? There was some beer here somewhere. I've lost it. Anyway, guys, very large place. We've already had our food. Oh, sorry.
Excuse me.
Oh, here we go. San Miguel draft beer. Yes. So, guys, we'll go back to the table. So, Ricky. Oh, there she is. There's my wife. Hello, wifey. Where are you going? Take whatever. Yes. So, you see, many people. So the restaurant is situated in the SM in San Fernando, the Pampanga SM. So, so there's my salmon, and I'm getting low on beer. So I'll have to drink that, and then I'll go and get another free beer. So guys, I'll catch you later. Bye now. Bye, Ricky. Yeah, bro.